Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Form B in Nadra, also known as a Child Registration Certificate. This vital document is the first official identity for children under 18 years, ensuring their formal inclusion in the national database. It is absolutely crucial for many legal processes, such as obtaining a passport or appearing for examinations. Understanding this process is key for every parent or guardian. To apply for Form B, you will need a few key documents. A birth certificate for your child, issued by the Union Council, is now mandatory. Additionally, at least one parent must hold a valid National Identity Card, or NICUP. If the child is adopted, legal guardianship proof is essential. Remember, the child must be under 18 years of age to be eligible for this certificate. The application process varies slightly by age. For children up to 1 year old, you can apply conveniently online using the PAC ID mobile app. However, if your child is older than 1 year, the application must be completed in person at a Nadra office. The in-person process includes obtaining a token, biometric verification for one parent, and careful data entry. Always review the printed form for accuracy before submitting it. Biometric requirements depend on the child's age. For those under 3 years, no biometrics or photographs are needed. Children aged 3 to 10 years only require a photograph. However, if your child is between 10 and 18 years old, a photograph, fingerprints, and an iris scan are compulsory. Regarding fees, a standard application costs 50 rupees, while the executive processing, offering faster service, is 500 rupees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.